2, 1, 0. 50. Left 6. Right 6 opens. 300. At the end of the 300, crest. Then a right 4 past the junction. There's enough room to brake after the crest. Left 4 narrows up. Right 6 over crest. Here's the up. Right 6 over crest. Kinks right down. Here's the right 6. Kinks right down, 50, compression. Right 5, 50. Kinks left. Right 5 short.
Okay, 50.
Yep.
6 left.
Kinks left. Right 5 short.
Yep.
Kink left into right 5 very long. Very long. Puddles over 50. Kink left. Keep left over puddle.
Yep.
Right 6, left 5 opens into left 3 in
6,
in.
left 5. Yeah.
Here's your left 3 in. Right 4 opens. Left 4 tightens. Tightens. Right 5. Left 5 short into right 4 into left 4 opens 100.
Oh man, it's torn up.
Kinks left.
Okay.
Kinks right.
Okay, slow it down. Kinks left.
Yep.
Kinks
50.
right. 50, yep.
Kinks left into the trees. Right 5 long. Left 5, right 6. Kinks left 100. Kinks right 100.
Alright, might be getting a little ahead.
Yep. Right 6, 50.
Right 6, yeah.
Yep. Kinks right. Kinks left. Caution, junction right 3 opens long. Long. Left 5 down. Right 3 narrow culvert, no cut. Left 3 up. 100. Left 4 at junction, long opens. Left 5 super long.
Yep.
Super long.
Oh, this is it.
Tree stand. Right 6. 100. Left 6. Crest. Jog right. Left 4. Compression. Jog right. Left 4. Compression. Left 4. Sawtooth.
Sawtooth, got it. So running.
Up, left 5 at the junction.
Yep.
Kinks 75. Right 4 in. Left 4. 50. Jog left, right 1. Right 1.
Yep. Got it.
100. Left 4 opens down. 300. At the end of the 300, right 4.
4th gear.
Right 4 at the end. After the right 4, kink left, 50. left 4, compression, bump.
This is our left 4.
Yep. 50, left 4 into left 3. Left 3. Up, right 4 over crest. Caution, soft, culvert. Kinks left. Kinks right. 50. Kink right. After the 50, kink right, tightens left 3 at junction, left 3, opens, 50, left 5 into roller coaster.
Got it.
Roller coastering. After the roller coaster, up, right 4, opens. Kink left into left 5. Here's your right 4.
Yep.
Kink left into left 5. Green truck. 100. Crest. Right 5 into caution. Left 3. Left 3. This is the one that catches you. 50.
I can't make it do it again.
Right 5, 200. Kink left, 200. Here's your kink. After the next 200 is a jog left, right 5. Here it is. After the right 5, kinks right over 100. Thread the needle. At the end of this, left 6 long opens, right 6 long.
The 6 long opens, yeah.
After the right 6, right 5, no cut, no cut. Next is jog left, right 5, up, left 2, left 2. Down over 100. Narrows, narrows into the trees. Left 4, right 5, over the bridge. Comes the bridge. After the bridge, right 6. Kinks left, right 6 again. 100. Over the finish.
That's better.
Yeah, that's safer. 100. Left 6.